Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 225 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about releasing past fears and anxieties that try to follow you into today. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel the ground beneath you. And let the weight of old fears loosen with each breath. Now, say to yourself, the past is over. I choose peace in this moment. And I release what no longer serves me. Breathe slowly, letting these words sink in. With every exhale, let go a little more. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of peace with you as you move forward today. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.